Are you having trouble with your Instagram shop getting rejected? You're in the right place. I have helped fix over 100 Instagram shops in the past and helped brands tag products in their posts and sell more products on Instagram. But recently, Meta did some changes to shops, which is why you're probably here. Their shop requirements now include having to be a part of a certain country or region, needing to have a certain followers or maybe a certain engagement rate to be able to get approved for this feature. Not to worry, in this video I will share exactly how to fix your broken Instagram shop or a rejected shop, or how to get Instagram shopping or something similar to Instagram shopping even if the feature is not available in your region. I'm going to provide an even better solution to making more product sales with your Instagram account even if you don't have access to the main Instagram shopping feature. And in this video we're going to find out more about Tagshop. It is the perfect app for e-commerce brands that want to sell more products with Instagram or social media. I want to thank Tagshop for sponsoring today's video, and we're going to learn more about this app and its features right now. So you might see an error in your shop, in your Instagram account, that the Instagram shop is no longer available in your region. Or you might have trouble syncing your products or even getting approved for this feature from the start. There are a few reasons for that, and let me tell you how to fix the main feature, the Instagram shopping feature for your account. First, your shop might have gotten rejected because of little activity or followers on your account, so on your Facebook page and on your Instagram account. The fix for this is a pretty easy one. You will need to post more authentic content for your brand, post regularly, have activity every single day, and grow your follower count and your engagement. Then you can apply again for the feature from your commerce manager or from your Instagram app. Another error might be caused by the fact that you don't have the checkout feature enabled for your Instagram shop. So if your shopping feature was working really well and then it just stopped working, it might be because you didn't enable checkout on Facebook and on Instagram. You can do so from your commerce manager, from shops, and enable checkout. And the reason for that is that Meta did some changes to shops, and you can no longer have access to this feature and tagging products in posts without enabling checkout on Facebook or Instagram. So you will need your customers to purchase your products directly from the apps without actually leading them to your website. But that is something that Tagshop will help you solve really easily. I'll tell you more about it right now. And the next cause for rejection for Instagram shopping might be that the Instagram shop was discontinued in your region, so you don't have access to it in your country. And the fix for that, honestly, there is no fix for the actual Instagram shop, because you will need to wait for them to enable checkout in different regions so you can do that and have access to shops. But again, Tagshop is the perfect solution for you in this case. So with Tagshop, you'll be able to let your customers find you on Instagram and still shop from your feed as they would on a normal Instagram shop, but without having that feature if you don't have access to it. They will find the links to purchase those products really easily, which will lead to you increasing your sales with Instagram. So how do you use Tagshop for your business? You can find a link in the description below to try it out for free, so make sure to use that. Tagshop is already being used by a lot of brands worldwide, and some businesses were able to earn up to $25,000 by solely using Tagshop to promote their products and to tag the products in their shoppable feed. So how do you use Tagshop for your business and infiltrate it into your own e-commerce website? Let me show you right now. First, you go to Tagshop and create your own account. Then once you're logged in, you will need to choose your network. So for example, Instagram. You can choose to tag products by your handle, so all the posts in your feed will be added, or you can choose a hashtag. You can sync your products with your Shopify store, WooCommerce store, BigCommerce, or any other platform, or upload your own CSV file with the product link, product photo, price, and all that. Or you can even add products manually. What is great about Tagshop that Instagram shopping didn't have is that you can also tag digital products, you can tag services, you can tag prices for different hotels, for example, locations, Airbnbs, and all of that. So Tagshop is available for any product that you might have. It is not only for physical products. This is also great if you have an Etsy store that you haven't been able to use to tag products in your posts. Next, you'll need to click on Tag Products and start tagging products in your posts as you would in your feed. Next, you can go to Gallery and customize the way it looks, so from a website. Then you can copy that exact gallery code and paste that code into your website on any page you want. For example, you can create a page on your website such as Shop the Look, look, and people can see your entire Instagram feed there and the exact products that you tagged in each post. Then from there, they can be led to that exact product and purchase it from your website. Another great way that really mimics the Instagram shopping feature is the shop in bio option that Tagshop has. For example, people want to see your tagged product in your feed in a feed that looks exactly the same as your Instagram account. You will add the shop in bio link to your Instagram bio to your Instagram links and say something like shop the feed. Then they will click on the feed and they will see your entire feed, will be able to click on the exact post that they want to shop, and will see the exact products that are tagged in that post. Next, they will also have the products version where they will see all the products in your shop as they normally would in a view shop option for Instagram. Another amazing thing that Tagshop has that you weren't able to do with Instagram shopping is that they allow people to go to your website and leave reviews or submit UGC photos or videos, so user-generated content. People can go to your website, upload a photo of the product they're wearing, leave a review, so a 5-star review, leave a description of how they enjoyed the product, and then post it to your feed, for example. Then you'll be able to approve those posts from Tagshop and they will show up on your website in the Shop the Gallery page or on a page that you decide. Another great UGC feature is that you can let people submit their UGC photos or add them from Instagram, and then Tagshop has a built-in feature that you can use to go ask for permission for that creator to allow you to use that photo in your feed, on your website, in your paid campaigns and all that. This way you are able to leverage authentic content, photos and videos from your customers in those product pages. This will further encourage checkout for your products. Being able to win your customers' trust because you didn't have enough reviews or maybe UGC content might have been a little bit difficult, but with Tagshop that can be solved really easily. So honestly, I believe Tagshop is the best solution for those of you that have been trying to get Instagram shopping for your account but haven't been able to for so long. It really mimics the entire feature and adds up to it a lot more elements that you can get monthly for a really minimal fee. So again, you can try Tagshop for free by using the link below. Oh, another thing that you can do with Tagshop is use it to see your analytics, so exactly how many sales those product tags have generated, which is something that again you weren't able to do with the Instagram shopping feature. So if your shop was rejected or you can't have it in your region, I suggest trying out Tagshop for your account. Honestly, even if you have the Instagram shopping feature enabled, I still suggest using Tagshop for the UGC functionalities. I think that it will help your business a lot and help you sell more products through Instagram. If you've enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this app, let me know what you think of it in the description below. Do you think you'll get it for your business? If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to also leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every week. Don't forget to start your free trial with Tagshop below, and I will see you in my next video.